Hello everybody, have a beautiful day. Today in this video I want to share with you how you can grow amaryllis from seed. As you can see in this video, I'm gonna to pollinate the flowers. I just pick up some pollen from this part and rub it on that part. This is all you should to do for pollination the amaryllis flowers. Some ask me why our amaryllis flowers dry out so fast. Honestly, as you know, amaryllis are a bulb and they don't need too much water. These type of plants can keep water and nutrients in themselves for a long time. If you water them too much, that's the case for the flowers dry out fast and their leaves become wilt. I want to share with you, and I will share all my experiments about amaryllis and how you can grow them from seed. You can see I did pollinate these one like another one, and you can see all of them produce seed. And you can see this is a seed, and after 1 or 2 weeks they turn to bud like that. I have researched about grow amaryllis from seed, and some says it take a long time for sprouting and getting flower, but I'm not agree with that, and my experiment is a little bit different with those things I learned. I has research about amaryllis. You can see the seed are ready for collecting. I didn't cut off the stalk from the mother plant. You can see this is successful pollination. All of those flowers produce seed, and each flowers almost has over 50 seed in it. You should not cut them off. You should let them dry out on the mother plant like this, and then you can plant them like this. You can see I let them completely dry out. Honestly, I want to tell you, some says you should plant them fast. If you plant them fast, you will get a good result. If you plant them after 2 or 3 months, you will not get a good result on the seed. But I did both of these way for plant them. I plant some fresh and some dry out. After 4 weeks I got the same result, and I think it can sprout in after even few months or probably more. I will check these and I will share it with you at the future. I save some seed for next year. I won't plant some next year. You can see I use these containers for plant the seed. I make a hole in bottom the container, and as you know, always I make soil myself, compost, simple soil and perlite. Honestly, I have no good experience about buy soil. Because of that, I always make it myself. You can see I'm gonna to fill out the container with the soil. Last year I bought some soil and honestly I lost many more of my seeds, my seedlings, because fungus gnats attacked to my grow room, and honestly I lost many of my seedlings. Because of that, I don't want to buy soil and I will try to make it myself. And I'm really satisfied with the soil, and honestly there is no any problem. As you can see, I'm gonna to plant the seed like this and surface the soil. Just almost 1 inch soil you need for below the seed, because as you know, amaryllis are a rootless plant. They have no too much root. I will share with you and I will show you how is their root system. As you can see, I'm gonna to cover it just a little bit with the soil. Just sprinkle soil on top of them. It's enough. You should not plant them so deep. And then I'm gonna to water it. You should water them so deep in first time, and next keep them moist, not wet. Honestly, you should know is a difference between wet soil and moist soil. As you can see, this is ready, and you can put it in front of sunny window, and after 2 weeks they will sprouting. Just after 2 weeks they start to growing, and after 4 weeks, it is after 4 weeks, you will get this result. But keep in mind, I don't use any fertilizer, and they all grow indoor without any sunlight. Let me to show you the root system. The root system looks like this, and because of this I'm telling you, you should not plant them so deep, and they don't need the deep container for plant them. You can see this is another one. You can see the seed still is on it, and the root system grows out like this. This is really beautiful, and I'm really happy about this. My goal is to grow my own plant, and most of my house plant and fruit tree I grew myself, from cuttings, from air layering, from seed. I really love to grow and give a birth to plant myself. As you can see, it has a 1 year and 2 months. After 1 year and 2 months you will get this result, and this one has just 1 year. You can see this is all the process for grow amaryllis from seed, and after they sit on flower and they get a bloom, I will make a video about this, and I will share with you how much it takes a long time for getting flower. As you can see, this amaryllis is really healthy. I never tied up the leaves. This is why I'm telling you, you should not water them too much. You should let the soil completely dry out and then water it. And the half of the bulb should be out from the soil. As you can see, this is those stalk. I didn't cut off them for show you, for make this video, and this is a time for cut off them. As you can see, the leaves are really healthy and they are not wilt, and they don't dropping down because I let the soil completely dry out. Thanks for watching me. I hope you like and enjoy with the video. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now. See you in next video.